In this video, you'll learn how to integrate Claude Code with GitHub Actions. This process involves creating a workflow that automates your continuous integration and continuous deployment tasks. By the end, you will have a functioning setup that runs your tests and deploys your application seamlessly. Begin by opening your command line interface and navigate into your application directory. Use the command -ed path to your apta. Once you're in the right location, create a new folder for your GitHub Actions by executing the command mkdir-force.github workflows. This action will create a directory named workflows within the .github folder, which is where your workflow files will reside. Next, you will create a new workflow file. To do this, enter the command github workflows Claude Actions YAML. This command initializes a new file named Claude-actions.yml in the specified directory. After creating the file, open it in Notepad by typing Notepad github workflows Claude actions.yml. This will allow you to edit the workflow configuration directly. Once Notepad opens, you will need to paste the YAML configuration for your workflow. Begin with the name, followed by the triggers for your workflow, including push and pull request events on the main branch. Define the jobs for testing and deployment, specifying the necessary steps such as checking out the code, setting up node.js, installing dependencies, running tests, and deploying to Railway. This configuration is crucial for automating the CA/CD process. After saving the changes in Notepad, the next step involves adding the required GitHub secrets. Navigate to your repository on GitHub and click on Settings. From there, select Secrets and then Actions. You will need to add 3 secrets, CLG_API_key for your Claude API key, CLG_model for the model you intend to use, umgo_URI for your production database URI. Remember that these secrets will only be available during the workflow execution, enhancing your security. If you wish to mock the Claude API in your tests, you can do so by editing the file located at /backend/test/claude.test.js. Insert the mocking code using Jest to simulate responses from the API. This step is optional but can help you avoid hitting API limits during testing. For those interested in testing the workflow locally, you can use the command npx-j test. This command simulates GitHub Actions on your local machine, allowing you to verify that your setup works correctly before pushing changes to the repository. Once you are satisfied with your workflow, it's time to commit your changes. Use git add to stage your modifications, followed by git commit -m add GitHub Actions cnadd git turg. Finally, push your changes to the main branch with git push origin main. This action will trigger the workflow, executing the build, test, and deploy processes automatically. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.